What is up, everyone? I am back from a 3-week introspection, from a 3-week lookup, from a 3-week mission of mercy, because I'm staying true to myself, which basically means that I'm never going to teach. I am never going to preach something that I do not 100% master myself. Before I'm even going to put a price tag on a course, I'm going to make sure I have built stuff myself, and that's basically what I did this 3 past weeks. In comparison to other tech influencers on Twitter and on YouTube, and we all know them, they basically write TypeScript as their job, and then they're going to create an HTMX course. How is the fuck is that even possible? I have built 2 production-ready applications that are being used by users, and this is the application I have built the past 3 weeks. It's FanMate.ai. It's right now in beta. What you can do is basically you can create these AI personas, which are basically as real as it can get. You can interact with them and generate pictures for them, right? So basically, before, it's all built with Golang HTMX, jQuery, and Tailwind CSS. I built this completely myself. And yeah, let's just dive into it. So for example, let's take this beautiful Amira Hassani here. She's 23 apparently. So the first thing is you can chat here with her. I'm gonna try to say something which is not gonna work because I'm not logged in. For example, hey, boom, this is a member area. Hey, let's log in, right? So I'm gonna log in here, log in with Google. Boom, I'm logged in. Let's go back to Amira here, and you can see I already chatted with her, and I can say, how are you doing? Presenter. You can see this is all built with HTMX. This is do not use JavaScript at all. It's just HTMX chat. Isn't that amazing? And the good news is that I'm coming out with a course, and I'm going to show you the link in the description, which basically going to teach you all of this fancy stuff, right? You can not find this on the internet. Nobody knows how it works, because I'm doing the most disgusting things, guys, with temple and script tags and pollers and all that stuff. I'm basically abusing the whole stack. So this is that. So what you also can do is basically generate images. Look at that, how beautiful she is. Amazing what you can do with AI, stable diffusion, custom model. Let's do a shot from the waist here. Standing in the middle of the street, wearing a long black dress with high heels. One picture here, generate. So you can see what's happening with HTMX. It's basically pulling, right now it's going to my stable diffusion model. It's doing stuff. It's using Cloudflare to upload the images. It's going to replicate the same face. It's going to hook back into one of my backend hooks, and we are still pulling. It's working with HTMX being I'm gonna teach you all of this. It's amazing, guys. Not a single JavaScript is being written for this. Of course, this can take up to 20 seconds here if the model is warm. And I have some tricks to keep the model warm with some pingers. So we're gonna see how this works. It could be that it's borked. That's why demos are for. It's in beta, so it can bork. And I think it's basically going to do that. No, it's not. Boom. Yes, look at that. Beautiful Amira is being generated. Look at that black dress in the middle of the street. Amazing. I basically built this solo in 3 weeks, outperforming teams of 8 people. Isn't that amazing? So that's that. So basically what you can also do is create a persona, right? So we're gonna, males are not working yet. So let's do some stuff. Let's make Caucasian here. A normal age, I don't know, I'm 37, so let me get 28 maybe, right? Blue eyes, of course, why not? I want a pixie cut, hair color, blonde, freckles, none. Breast size, are we going for large? Let's do medium, medium, and medium. I want basically a streamer, why not? Ambitious, stubborn, and dynamic. And cars, I don't know, gaming maybe, and skateboarding, why not? Next, give it a name, super woman or something. Boom, like that. And then I can actually select an outfit. Let's do something. Are we going to do that? Black dress, right? Black dress. Let's do with high heels here because I don't want to generate some crazy stuff. So it's gonna generate the persona, right? So what is happening? It's creating. It's amazing what I do, right? I'm basically creating a first prompt with a headshot. Then I use this headshot to basically replicate the same face all the times, right? So it's insane. That's why I was 3 weeks in a bunker, guys, right? 3 weeks in a fucking bunker, not gonna lie. Messing with Python and all that stuff, it's crazy. So basically this can take up to 50 seconds. Why? Because we don't use Dream boot or something. It's all, like I said, special face swap, shenanigans, IP adapters and all that stuff. I needed to spend a lot of hours learning how it works. I had a lot of help from somebody from the community for the AI stuff. Ashton Reeve, amazing. Look at that, pixie cut and everything, guys. Superwoman is amazing. So now I can start chat with this girl here. Look at that. Let's see. Yo, hi there, I'm Lily, a 20-year-old Caucasian streamer with bright blue eyes and blonde hair. I'm into cars. Yo, lol. I'm a Golang developer. How do you feel about that? Presenter, let's see what she thinks about Golang developers. I don't know. Not sure how much I know about Golang development, but it's always interesting to learn new things. And that's true, Lily. We're gonna. It's not Lily, it's Superwoman. What kind of project are you working on? Well, I'm basically building you. But it's fine. So that's basically what I'm doing here. We also have a gallery here. Look at that, beautiful Amira and this Superwoman. Yeah, I also have this settings here. Click, boom. Look at that. Famous streamers. You can do whatever you want with this. Change your password and all that stuff. All made with Golang HTMX and Tailwind CSS. The only jQuery we're using is basically in create persona here, is to set these button states from time to time and to populate actually just some minor sprinkles to get these things working here and there, like these things here. That's the only thing. Besides that, it's only HTMX and Golang and Temple. And it's amazing. So let's look into the project real quick here. It's FanMate. It's a beta. You guys can check it out, right? After stream, you can you can generate whatever you want because you do you. You know what I mean? And you get 20 credits for free, and you cannot buy new because I didn't integrate Stripe yet because I'm lazy. Right. So let me open up the project here. Boom. Look at that. Beautiful. Like I said, it's all Temple. You can see Outchat, gallery, generate home. It's all that stuff. What am I using as an framework? Well, the only thing I'm actually using is Chi, guys. This time I did Chi. And why? Because I never used it. And I thought, let me use it. You know what I mean? Because I don't care what framework I use, because whatever I press, whatever button I press, it's going to be pressed with violence and speed and momentum. And it's going to work regardless. You know what I mean? So everything is also basically built in a static, in one binary, right? Every asset is one binary, and all the images are hosted on Cloudflare, which is also what I'm going to teach you in my course. That's coming up, as it's pretty cheap. Only $49. Isn't that amazing? With a discount. So you can see profile creates, all these steps. You can see here step 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here is basically these steps, right? So you can go to the next, actually, error handling, next. You can see I can go boom, I can also go back, and it's keeping the state, right? It's keeping the state. You see, you know what I mean? And that's being taken care of. I'm going to teach you that also, right? It's very easy, especially with Temple. I'm going to teach you how to structure your stuff, what's the best way to handle these errors, because it was a bit of a trial and error from time to time, but I think what I did right now is a very good sweet spot, to be honest. It's a very lightweight project, but very production ready, right? And that's the amazing of Golang. Instead of a Laravel from PHP, I was messing around with Laravel also. And it's amazing, but it's just too much bloat. And configure this, and configure that, and this, and that. And it's like, what the hell is going on? Am I even a programmer? I'm a configurator. You know what I mean? I would say that spinning up a project in Laravel or Ruby on Rails is going to be much faster, the boilerplate, because there is no boilerplate. But at the point where I am right now, I don't think it's these stuff is going to give me more benefit, because adding features here is as fast as I'm doing it in Laravel or Ruby, right? Ruby on Rails. It's as fast, right? Because all my helpers are set up. For example, let me open up a handler here. For example, let's do the generate handler. This one here, right? So let me see here. For example, here, like get authenticated user, right? Gets the authenticated user and all that stuff. Another cool stuff that I did is the premium model. Premium temple here. I'm going to be very fast here, guys, because attention span of the average YouTuber is basically they're already gone. They're already back to Fortnite, you know what I mean? So this is basically not the correct thing. Model. Let me open up my model here. For example, a cool stuff I did is the model out, which basically is going to generate stuff based on the access type. And what I mean by that is, for example, if you're generating images, what I'm doing is, for example, here, right? I'm checking user can access, and then how many credits the user need to perform a generate, right? So I'm going to calculate how much credits they need, and then I'm going to do user.can access, and it's going to give me an access type. And this access type is basically, for example, access type OK. This basically means the user is logged in, he's premium, has enough credits. Access type login basically means like, hey, the user is not logged in, so I need to show up. I'm gonna show up the model with a login. The user needs to be premium, or the user is short on credits, right? And it's a model that pops up, right? Let me show you here, right? For example, let me log out. Let me go to what the hell's going on here. For example, let's take Xu Chen here, this guy, and I'm gonna generate images here, right? Boom, 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 boom. You see, this is a member area. And how do we do that without JavaScript? I'm gonna teach you that. You just return script. It's a secret. It's a secret how I do that. It's amazing. So that's that, guys, right? I'm gonna show you exactly how to build this kind of thing. I'm gonna show you how you can do this image polling stuff with HTMX. I'm gonna show you authentication, deployment, and all that. I'm gonna show you the whole shebang, what I learned here, and also with Lavenue, right? So that's it. So how can you actually buy the course? It's not done yet, right? It's not done yet, but I'm a man of my word. So I'm doing a pre-sale. I'm a businessman. I'm doing a pre-sale. What's the pre-sale? Well, it's in the link in the description. You can find the pre-sale link. You can join the Discord if you have questions. But you can see, what are we going to do? Well, I need to add up the full curriculum because it's not done yet. But we're gonna discover the project setup with all the helpers and all that stuff, so you can generate, migrate, generate seeds and all that stuff. That's what we're going to do. Set up the database and all that shenanigans. We're also going to build the application, a bunch of hours of building this, the application stuff, and then we are going to basically do deployment, CI, and monitoring. Is how we deploy that stuff and monitor that. And all that stuff, and also some Cloudflare shenanigans. Why it's very important? Because the only thing I need to do is push to master, and it's going to deploy on master, and the beta.fanmate, which is this thing, is staging. So each time I just push to staging, it's going to automatically be deployed here. With thanks to my boy Ashton Reeve, which helped me with that. But we're going to teach you how to do that yourself, and see the logs of your application and all that shenanigans. Right. Also going to teach how you can log in this stuff with Supabase. I'm going to teach you the whole shebang, guys. It is what it is. I'm also going to teach you how to make these beautiful UIs. Like, who did that? I did that, guys. I'm a backend engineer. I'm building fucking actor model, high-speed programs. And look at me building this beautiful interface here. Hey, trial and error. Build. You know what I mean? Instead of all these other fucking influencers, they need to shut their fucking mouth and start building. That's what I do, right? So guys, let me know in the comments what you think about this. I think it's pretty cool. Is this something that's going to be, so I don't know, man. It's just, I had some fun. I think it's amazing. You can generate cool pictures with this. You know what I mean? You can generate some cool pictures. Try it out yourself. It's secret. It's encrypted, guys. Don't worry about it. I'm not going to tell anybody. I'm not going to tell your girlfriend what's happening here. You know what I mean? Yeah, that's it, guys. Right? So, for example, check out, give me a like, give me a thumbs up, join the Discord community, and check out buy the pre-sale. You know what I mean? Buy the pre-sale of this thing, of HTMX stuff, and I'm going to give a special coupon automatically later on. So wait, if you already have full-time GoDev, I'm going to give you, or send you a mail or something, an automatic coupon code. You're gonna get this course for even cheaper, right? I cannot give you completely for free, but you're gonna get this for a very, very, very low price if you have the full-time GoDev, right? So if you wanna buy the boat, you can, but let me know, right? All right, Guys, thanks for watching, and I see you soon on one of my live streams, because this motherfucker is back and he's better than ever. And I'm going to completely single-handedly change the space because TypeScript sucked. Bye-bye. Love you all.